Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to play Huckle Buckle Beanstalk. Let's go! Step 1. Get a group of friends. Step 2. Form a circle. Step 3. Pick a person to be in the middle of the circle. Please.
Girl with the pink hair.
Yes! Step 4. Stand in the middle with an object. The objects can be anything, including a marker, a small ball, a goat, or a steel-forged wrench. Actually, a marker might not be the best idea. Step 5. Hide the object and start the game. The person in the middle of the circle takes the object, shows everyone what it is, then tells them to close their eyes. Then he takes the object and hides it somewhere around the room, comes back to the middle of the circle and says, Huckle Buckle Beanstalk, which means start the game. Let the games begin! Huckle Buckle Beanstalk! When you find the object, don't say anything. Calmly sit back where you were in the circle and whisper, Huckle Buckle Beanstalk. Hey guys, I found it. Huckle Buckle Beanstalk. The last 3 people to find the object are out for that round. Where is it? I can't find it. Sorry, but you're out. Keep playing until there is only one person left. That person's the winner. And that's how you play Huckle Buckle Beanstalk. Have fun! Come on.